Prima Power is a renowned name in the laser and sheet metal processing solution. They have inaugurated and expanded their new facility in Pune.
Today, the opening of new Prima Power India headquarters is much related to our strategy. I'm very happy to be here because this is an important step in our strategic path to grow. We have named our strategy 2 years ago Evolve by Integration. That means like a brand promise to our customer to be best supplier for the evolution of sheet metal sector through integrated line, integration of automation and standalone machines. On the other way, Evolve by Integration is also means for us to evolve, to grow, and to open new headquarters. We see India as one of the fastest growing market, so we really hope that the opening of the new building will be another step in this growth in India.
Mr. Giovanni Negri to give this opportunity for our Indian facility to grow for the future. We really think that this investment of Prima Power in India, it's really important. It's a very important market for us. It's growing very much. So we are really glad and sure that this will be an important hub for our growth in Asia. I really hope this is the start of a new successful business with you all.
We had a larger premises in Pimpri, and further growth and the investment in India brings us to this facility. So now we have a larger facility. Primary purpose is the customer support. We can have here more spare parts, more customer support possibilities, a tech center, more demo machines. This is the testimony of our efforts in supporting the customers. We are growing. We started business in India in 2011, and from that time in last 15 years, we have grown multifold, and we are expecting more and more business in India. Market is growing.
We are very glad because we think that we are sure. It's 58 years that the Chamber of Commerce is sure of the potential of India. That Italian companies are investing more and more in India, and they are recognizing the potential of the market and of the talent that is available here in India. And witnessing this event makes us really for other companies to join experiment that Prima Power is successfully conducting.
India is going to bring a lot more opportunities for both Prima and for Gestamp to localize our content. You know, as part of the government's initiative to make in India export to the world, I'm sure together we'll have a lot of growth opportunities going forward. It's a fantastic facility, and I'm really looking forward to seeing some innovation solution ideas from the local India team.
We have bought recently a machine from Prima, and the machines are excellent condition, and service also it's very good. For sheet metal industries, this machine is a really quality product we can manufacture, and already we have one machine. So Prima is the best machine for sheet metal industry, and it is a reliable also.
We are associated with Prima from last 7 years, and we are very closely working with them. They have supported us for ramping up our manufacturing footprint and also our capacities. Daily basis, they are very eager to support us on day-to-day problems which are coming in the manufacturing line, and we are very happy with their support and their association from last 7 years.